What's up, guys? So, real quick video today. MRM killed it 10K today. So, this thing was like, you know, going crazy. And I happened to catch it at the right time. I jumped in right here for the break of go time. It kind of dipped down on me. So, I went ahead and I doubled up. And then this thing kind of picked up momentum and exploded. Now, I should have held a little bit longer, but I was up like 4,600. You guys know my goal is 1,000 a day. So I was up like 4,600. I said to myself, you know what? Let me take profits before this thing tanks. Because yesterday, I don't know if you guys noticed yesterday. Let me show you guys this one stock yesterday. So basically, um, it wasn't yesterday. It was the day before. No, this is this morning. Um, it was yesterday. Let me see. It was right. I think it was 22 yesterday. Okay, so like this one yesterday, I jumped in here, and right after this move, this thing tanked. It just MRIN. It just went all the way down. So I thought it was gonna do the same thing as yesterday, but it didn't. This thing just continued to rip right through, and it got halted right there. And so I decided, okay, let me wait for a pullback. So I jumped in here. It took a dip on me, so I doubled up to get a better average. And the same thing that kind of happened here happened right there. It exploded, and as soon as it exploded, I took profits right there. Ended up with 120. So these are my this is where I got in at 1541. And then I doubled up at 1494, and then I sold at 1575, and then I jumped back in at 1758. Dropped down on me 1690. Um, is I doubled up there and then end up popping. It's been very choppy. It's been very choppy, so that's why I kind of like you know I'll double up if I need to, but I hate doing it. I hate doubling up because sometimes it continues to go down. But in this situation, this thing was super strong, so I didn't. I had pretty good confidence in it, so I figured doubling up is gonna give me a better average. And when it pops, when it breaks through go time, I was gonna make a lot anyway. So that's basically my mentality for this morning. But yeah, ended up with 10, 120. Everything worked out great. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Um, um, just let me know if you guys are interested. Also, if you guys, let me pull this back up. Also, if you guys don't have trade ideas, again, how am I finding these stocks? Let me pull up trade ideas so you guys can see. So basically, you can see MRM is up top here. Um, it's letting me know what's moving right there. So all I have to do is pull up the chart and see if the setup is there. Once you learn the setup, it's not that hard. Every now and then you'll take some hits, you take some losses, but for the most part, you should win more than you lose. So, you know, um, everything's a risk, at the end of the day. But with a strategy, you're able to beat the odds. All right, so I'm gonna keep this one short. Great day today. Also, you guys know I do real estate. I keep telling you guys I do. I buy houses. So this is the daily bread. The stocks is the daily bread. So I make the daily bread and then I park it into some real estate. If you guys have any properties that need fixing up, or if you know anyone that's going through some hardships, maybe they lost their job, maybe they're getting a divorce, maybe they're getting, I don't know, maybe they just can't pay the mortgage anymore, maybe they just want to sell. Maybe the house is just somebody died in there and they just don't want to be there anymore. Whatever the situation is, hit me up. I'm able to buy these properties. I buy them for cash, and then I'll make sure you make a nice fee. I'll pay you for the referral fee. I pay $1,000 for referrals. So if you send me anything my way, anything, it doesn't matter what part of the country. I don't care where you are. If you know anyone selling real estate, contact me. My email is below, and all my links are below. So um, go through go through below. I put all the information below, so just go below and hit me up if you have anything for sale. I'll buy it. Okay. So this is the daily bread, uh, day trading. So I'll chat with you guys another day.